Hey everyone, subscribe and stay tuned for more updates. A Hotwheels has released a new Replica entertainment series. A Aston Martin DBS in metallic chrome finish with 10-spoke chrome wheels. A 1987 Toyota pickup truck in metallic black finish with Goodyear letterings on tires. A DC Batman Batmobile with Batman fins on rear and with 5-spoke golden wheels. Another DC Batman Batmobile in complete black body with black wheels. The Jetsons spaceship is back in complete green body color with transparent glass top. A new Hot Wheels truck for 2023 has a car culture team transport. A 1972 Chevy Ram truck. This truck is under pre-production as this is a sample model. A Mia Toretto Acura Integra sedan will be in 2023 Hot Wheels Fast and Furious Premium Series, as this car is under pre-production. Original car to be known. A Nissan Sentra will be in Matchbox 2023 basic line. A new Matchbox 5-pack set as electric drivers. Check out the sneak peek of this set. A Mini GT presents a Datsun 510 Pro Street Chase car. Check out the sneak peek of an upcoming Datsun Chase car. A Nissan Z in a proto-spec Ikuzi yellow, material made in Diecast. A Porsche 911 Targa 4S Heritage Edition. Color of a car cherry red. Material made from diecast. A McLaren Artura. Color of a car volcano blue. Material made from diecast. A Nissan Skyline GTR Top Secret. Color of a car 2022 Christmas Limited Edition. Material made from diecast. A Nissan Skyline GTR V-Spec 2. Color of a car, digital camouflage yellow as a Malaysian Diecast Expo Limited Edition. Material made from Diecast. A HKM Premium Models presents a Koenigsegg Jesko, color of a car blue, limited up to 699 units, material made from Diecast. The releasing date of this car is on February 2023. A HKM Premium Models presents a Koenigsegg Jesko, color of a car in green, limited up to 699 units, material made from Diecast. The releasing date of this car is February 2023. A Time Micro presents a Lamborghini Aventador LP 704, color of a car police, material made from Diecast, releasing on March 2023. Hobby Japan presents a Honda Civic Type R FK8 2020 with engine display model. Color of a car, championship white, crystal black pearl, flame red and racing blue pearl. Material made from Diecast. Releasing on Feb 2023. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to all notifications and stay tuned for further updates.